How's it going, everyone? This tutorial will show you how to make a bendable skeleton figure using foam and pipe cleaners. Here are all the materials you'll need: a 1/2 inch thick sheet of either EPS or XPS foam, pipe cleaners, black or white work best, the skeleton template, download link in description, scissors or an X-Acto knife, thumbtacks, a black marker, 3-inch hot knife, original or mini scroll table, and styro goo. First, print out your pattern on an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper, then cut the pieces out. Next, pin your pieces to your 1.5 inch sheet of foam with thumbtacks or anything else that'll hold them in place. Be sure to use at least 2 thumbtacks on each piece so they don't rotate while you're cutting the foam. Use your hot knife to cut the spaces out on the forearms and shins. After you've cut out all the pieces, turn the heat off on your hot knife and use it to poke the holes for the pipe cleaners to slide through. You can also use toothpicks, clay sculpting picks, or anything with a similar diameter. Take extra care when poking holes through skinnier pieces like the forearms, shins, and ribs so you don't accidentally poke through the sides. If needed, any holes can be repaired with styro goo and some scrap foam. I recommend separating the pipe cleaners that go through the forearms and shins as pictured here in the pipe cleaner layout to minimize the chance of poking unwanted holes. With the holes made, insert the pipe cleaners and glue them in place with styro goo. Use your marker to draw your own custom design on the skeleton. And you're all done! Thanks for watching and happy Halloween!